In this video we are going to cover Facebook collection functionality. On the right side of each page we usually have blue help documentation. When you click on each question mark, it will give you detailed information about each specific feature. If you do not understand a particular feature, you can directly click the question mark after the feature to learn more about it. Let me give you a quick overview of how our entire collection feature works. The collection functionality is divided into two main types. The first type is profile collection. Profile collection directly performs filtering, adding friends, messaging and other operations on specified users, which is perfect for batch direct messaging. This means when you have a user list with many user UIDs, you can batch process operations on these users. The second type is blogger collection. Blogger collection performs various filtering and messaging operations on followers within a blogger follower list, helping you find potential customers from target blogger followers. Now let us go through each function on the feature page in detail. First is data source selection. You can choose to manually input UIDs or read UID lists from files. If you choose manual UID input, you can directly enter Facebook user UIDs you want to collect in the input box. You can enter one or multiple UIDs, with multiple UIDs separated by commas or one per line. If you choose to read from file, the script will read UID lists from specified TXT documents in your phone memory card, with one UID per line in the file. Next is collection type selection. You can choose profile collection or blogger collection. If you choose profile collection, the script will directly perform profile filtering and operations on the input UID users. If you choose blogger collection, you also need to select a subtype, either blogger followers or blogger following. Blogger followers collects the blogger follower list, while blogger following collects the list of people the blogger follows. Then comes operation interval settings. This represents the wait time after each action executes. The default interval is 1 to 2 seconds. We suggest you can wait even longer during actual operations. The interaction interval below refers to the dwell time when the script executes friend requests or messaging on users. If you have not checked the corresponding messaging or friend request options, it will not dwell. Next is collection quantity settings. If you check collection quantity, you can set a specific quantity limit, like collecting 100 users. If you only want to send messages or add friends, you do not need to check collection quantity, because messaging and friends already have quantity limits. When the message or friend request quantities are reached, the script will automatically stop. Country filtering functionality. If you check country filtering, you can click the drop-down behind it to select specific countries as filtering conditions. This will filter out many users you do not want to add or message. Please note, if you check country filtering, users without country data in their profiles will be ignored. Generally, we do not recommend enabling this feature, because most user profiles basically do not have country data. Next is AI avatar recognition. You can choose to check this to let AI help you identify user gender. It identifies based on user avatars with fairly high accuracy, but when user avatars are not human figures, the recognition is not as precise. When you enable AI avatar recognition, you can choose to filter only male or female users, improving target user matching accuracy. Below are the specific filtering conditions. Filtering conditions strictly separate personal account and public account filtering. Personal account filtering includes friend range and mutual friend filtering. Public account filtering includes follower range and following filtering. If you only check personal conditions, like friend count and mutual friends, the script will only process personal accounts and directly reject public accounts. If you only check public conditions, like follower count and following count, the script will only process public accounts and directly reject personal accounts. If you check mixed conditions, the script will automatically select corresponding conditions based on account type for filtering. For friend count range, this is a personal account exclusive filtering condition. You can set personal user friend count ranges, for example 50 to 2,000 people. Only personal accounts will be filtered by this condition, public accounts will be directly rejected. For mutual friend range, this is also a personal account exclusive filtering condition. You can set mutual friend count ranges with personal users, for example 1 to 20 people. Only personal accounts will be filtered by this condition, public accounts will be directly rejected. For follower count range, this is a public account exclusive filtering condition. You can set public figure follower count ranges, for example 1,000 to 50,000 people. Only public accounts will be filtered by this condition, personal accounts will be directly rejected. For following count range, this is also a public account exclusive filtering condition. You can set public figure following count ranges, for example 100 to 5,000 people. Only public accounts will be filtered by this condition, personal accounts will be directly rejected. You can also check whether user bios contain website links. If you check this, it will automatically filter out users whose bios contain websites, helping you avoid some promotional business users. Next comes friend requests and messaging. Please note, this is very important. If you have not checked collection quantity, friend requests, or messaging options, the script will not execute collection operations. For friend requests, you can set friend request quantity ranges, for example 5 to 15 people. The script will randomly execute friend request operations within this range. For sending messages, you can set message quantity ranges, for example 3 to 10 people. The script will randomly send messages within this range. When you check send messages, you can also choose whether to send photos. If you check send photos, it will automatically send a photo after successfully sending a message. You also need to set message content. You can customize and input the message content you want to send. For multiple message contents, you can use commas as separators, and the script will randomly select one content as the message content. Finally is the Save Data functionality. If you check Enable Save, collected data will be saved to TXT files in your phone memory card. You can customize the file name. The data save format is UID, username, friend count, follower count, following count, mutual friend count, collection time, with one user data per line using pipe separators. You can also choose Remove Duplicates, which automatically removes duplicate user data. You can also choose Clear Old Data. If checked, it will automatically delete existing files with the same name when starting collection, ensuring the data file starts from blank. So for collection functionality, it basically has many different usage methods. For example, batch messaging users. As long as you have batch user UID text files, you can batch execute messaging, following, friend requests and other operations on users. For example, batch user collection functionality. You can directly collect UIDs from a blogger following or follower list users for batch user operations. At the same time, you can also execute messaging, filtering, and various other functions on blogger follower lists and following lists. You can customize specific usage based on your own needs. Alright, after setting all of this up, do not forget to save. After clicking Save, you can execute the user collection automation workflow. Remember to set your Facebook app language to English before starting your operations. For the upcoming demo video, we will randomly set some values. Due to time constraints, for dwell time and random dwell time, we might set them very short. In your actual automation task execution, you need to set the corresponding content based on your actual situation.